Ikotuga, yeah, yeah. Got a night little vibe. Ikotuga. From the first moment I saw you standing there, something in your smile caught me unaware. Heart skip a beat, yeah, it hit me fast. One look at you and I knew this could last. Taveuni Girl with the island grace, calm in your walk, peace in your face. Soft when you speak, but you stand so strong. Lady with class, yeah, nothing wrong. You don't force it, you just be you. Kind, gentle heart, everything true. From the way you smile to the way you move, you got that natural island groove. From the first moment I saw you, you made my heart skip a beat. Taveuni Girl with that smile so sweet. Ikotuga, you different, unique. From the first moment I saw you, yeah, my heart skip a beat. Glass of a lady, gentle and neat. Ikotuga, 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 Ikotuga. Taveuni Girl, Ikotuga, Ikotuga, Ikotuga. Yeah, you know say, Ikotuga. You move so easy, never doing too much. Island beauty with a soft, soft touch. Humble soul with a confident shine. You don't chase the hype, you just align. From the Vanna roots to the way you smile, got me thinking about you for a long while. Every little laugh got me falling deep. Every time I see you, same heartbeat. You don't rush love, you let it go. Real tight woman, that's what I know. Every vibe with you feels so right. Daytime thoughts in the late night. From the first moment I saw you, you made my heart skip a beat. Taveuni Girl with a smile so sweet. Ikotuga, you different, unique. From the first moment I saw you, yeah, my heart skip a beat. Glass of a lady, gentle and neat. Ikotuga, Ikotuga. Slow wine, island wine, your kind of love, one of a kind. No loud talk, just real affection, pure intention, real connection. From the first moment I saw you, you made my heart skip a beat. Taveuni Girl with that soft, soft